To get started with Robinhood options trading, you need to have a Robinhood account and enable options trading by going to the research page and selecting options trading from the menu. Once you have been approved for options trading, you can begin by learning the key concepts of options trading. An option is a contract that gives the buyer the right but not the obligation to buy or sell an underlying asset at a predetermined price known as the strike price. There are two main types of options: calls and puts. A call option gives the buyer the right to buy an underlying asset, while a put option gives the buyer the right to sell an underlying asset. To place an options trade on Robinhood, open the app and navigate to the stock or ETF you want to trade options on. Tap the trade button and select buy or sell to open the options trading interface. You can then choose the type of option you want to buy or sell and the number of contracts you want to trade. Each options contract represents 100 shares of the underlying asset, so buying one call option contract gives you the right to buy 100 shares of the underlying stock at the strike price. You can also sell options contracts to other traders, which is known as writing options. When you sell an options contract, you receive the premium from the buyer, but you also take on the obligation to buy or sell the underlying asset at the strike price if the buyer exercises the option. It is essential to have a solid understanding of the risks and potential rewards of options trading. Before getting started, best practices for options trading on Robinhood include setting clear goals and risk tolerance before making a trade, and using limit orders to specify the maximum amount you are willing to pay for an option. You should also closely monitor your trades and be prepared to close them if they are not performing as expected. It is also crucial to educate yourself on the different options trading strategies, such as covered calls and protective puts, and to use them in a way that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use Robinhood options trading to diversify your portfolio and achieve your financial goals.